Seriously, guy, I like the way they train our children for Africa here. Far better, like they're more respecting. You understand? Not be like say, oh, come there, America, they call you tell your pikin, they tell you, I call the police, I call the police. What the fuck is wrong with you, dad? Man, which kind of shit be that one? How you see that guy?
Guy, the way we handle them here in Nigeria, man.
Far better.
Very wonderful.
Seriously.
They're not gonna do rubbish.
Did you mad?
You're not gonna do rubbish.
Who bomb monkey?
Well, once they train you for Nigeria, you don't get
It's
crazy.
You guys are getting it all wrong. Trust me. Trust me. I really trust foreign style. Oh. Like seriously, one look at it this way. It makes them more educated. Ideas filled, you know.
Oh, ideas.
Yes.
Oh,
they get
to
to
play with
Now
that.
maybe carry your pikin go outside, go train them.
filled.
Right.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
So yes,
Now
now.
make you carry your pikin go outside.
Now wow.
I pray me that pikin know
May not
something
insult you seriously.
Yeah.
Hey, go to your room and watch TV now.
Idiot. This is finished. So I can't watch anything on you.
Now your papa, guy,
My brother.
idiot. Shoo, your father.
Hey, they call idiot. For this guy, no. Pablo.
You don't train this boy, eh?
Oh.
Don't be the American so.
Nice na. Opa to no poto.
It's normal. It's a normal thing. It's normal.
Come.
It's normal.
Oga, go inside your room.
Fajo. I ain't talking you.
Hey.
Who say no boy?
Hit me. Fat Joe.
Yeah, just you.
Wait. Wait.
He no concern you.
Abi?
Now you pikin in trainer outside.
Abi?
Make him deal with them.
Abi?
He go listen to her.
Abi?
Stop! Will you stop it, man? That's very rude.
Stop it.
Yes.
I said you stop it.
My
That's
mom
rude.
told them to come
My
here.
brother, that's very rude. I said you stop
My
it.
brother. Listen to your dad. When your dad is talking to you, you hear? Listen to him.
Go to your mom and listen.
Man, I said, will you stop that?
Yeah, man. Hey. Yeah, man. Oh.
Something
What
was to
kind of stupid
happen.
song is that?
Yeah, man.
This boy.
Yeah, man.
Somebody want to die now.
Yeah, man.
Bring the sacrifice.
You say?
I say go to your mom and listen.
Bring the sacrifice. Come, bring it. Yeah,
You leave my son for me now. What's this?
Come here.
Uncle, I beg. Uncle, I beg. You don't go up with it again.
You don't care?
I beg you don't go up with it.
come back.
I beg.
Wow.
Oh, makes sense.
Let him have it.
My mama.
Yeah.
My mama.
Uncle.
Wait, what's he doing? You say?
You don't go up with
You don't go back again. Welcome back.
This boy been the speak
No, he don't come back now. We don't give her African touch. He's doing well. No worries. Stand
You
up.
don't do. I don't slap your papa for
It's a
nothing.
miracle.
I don't slap your papa for nothing. Idiot. Oya, get up.
You shut up.
Get up. Go your room.
You shut up.
Come go your room.
You feel that way? Nice. Nice, nice. Yo, the television right there.
Elders, they watch
If you
television.
like.
But that was-
Not train away.
You guys slap.
Guy, I feel
give
send
her
you
that one.
another one. Oh. I feel dial you another way. The Chris.
Idiot.
Come.
Eh?
This is where you don't even start person water. See how they play hot like say now go with yourself.
Alright, big guy.
Guy.